First and foremost, do not make fun of my toupee. You heard that right. I repeat, do not make fun of my toupee. I didn't get a chance to comb it. But anyways, it's about that time. Chow time, chow time, chow time. This is what we're having tonight. You see it? Rallies. We got the front. Rallies, really? This is... Anyways, we got half of a box of fries. Thank you, Rallies. Good. Now for the main event. We have a triple Baconzilla burger. Triple Baconzilla burger. Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3 patties. Bacon and cheese. Simple. Straight to the point, homie. No theatrics. No lettuce, no tomato, no onion, no nothing. Straight bacon, cheese, and meat. And buns. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's see what it tastes like. The bacon's pretty good, dog. Serio. I'm kind of surprised, homie. One, two, three. Wow. What the? Homie. On the serio, dog. Fire. Radish. You got me some fries. The fries are decent. The burger smacks, dog. This burger smacks, homie. I recommend it. The triple meat Baconzilla from Rally's, dog.